First up, slip solution. Go ahead, clean it out. Secondly, slip solution. Spray your thing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and tack or like squeegee this right side because there's a lot more surface area to pull from. And after that, there should be barely any stretch right here. Just gonna make sure that everything is aligned. And once it is, let's go ahead and move all the water and out that little area right here. Super easy, very easy way to keep your door handles protected on the Model X, since you have to push that every single day.